Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures, create complex multi-dimensional arrays. Awesome. You have learned a ton about arrays. This has been fairly high level overview and there is plenty more to learn about working with arrays, much more of which you will see in later sections. But before moving on to looking at objects, let's take one more look and see how arrays can become a bit more complex what we have seen in the previous challenges than what we have seen in the previous challenges. One of the most powerful feature when thinking of arrays as data structure is that arrays can contain or even completely made up of other arrays. We have seen array that contains arrays in previous challenges, but fairly simple ones. However, array can contain an infinite depth of arrays that can contain other arrays, each with their own arbitrary level of depth, and so on. In this way, an array can very quickly become very complex data structure known as multidimensional or nested array. Consider the following example. Here we can see example where nested array are shown or multidimensional. Two arrays nested 3 levels deep. Two arrays nested 4 level deep and array nested 5 level deep. Will this example may seem convoluted, this level of complexity is not unheard of or even unusual when dealing with large amount of data. However, we can still very easily access the deepest level of an array. This complex with bracket notation. Here we are using console.log to print nested array which has 5 level of depth. And now that we know that a piece of data where that piece of data is, we can reset it if we need to. Means we can set any value at that place. Task for this challenge, we have defined a variable my nested array. Here set equal to an array. Modify my nested array using any combination of strings, numbers and booleans for data elements so that it has exactly 5 level of depth. Remember the outermost array is level 1. Somewhere on the third level include the string deep, on the fourth level include the string deeper, and on fifth level include the string deepest. So let's change it here. Or we can create a simply new array comma separated. This is second level, third level, and in third level we will give deep 2 and now keep it there and deep. After deep we have deeper and let's give a boolean here and again comma and this one deepest with a number and a boolean looks okay to me. So let's run the test. and download my solution. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.